Hi guys, welcome back to Discover Zone. Today we're going to be making this delicious mug donut. So let's get started. First you're going to put 2 tablespoons of butter in your mug and melt that in your microwave. Next you'll want to add 1 egg yolk. And mix. You can't really tell because they are both the exact same color. The egg yolk and the butter blend together so well. Add in 4 tablespoons of flour and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now I have 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now add that in. And lastly add 1 tablespoon of milk. Now mix it up. If you did not catch all of that, the measurements will be at the end of the video. Now it should look like this. Now you will need some jam. I am using this black cherry and raspberry blood orange jam. You want to put a large dollop of jam in the center, or at least close to the center. Now you want to microwave it for 1.5 minutes. It should now look like this once it has been cooked. Now you want to top it with more jam. Your mug donut is now done. I hope you made this and enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys! So right now I'm going downstairs to get Tiki's opinion of it. So here's Tiki. She's gonna try the mug cake and give her opinion.
I hope it's not hot and burns me. Otherwise I would.
Okay, try it, Tiki.
Mmm, that's super great. This is super great. Is it jelly or what is it?
It's
is it
the
jam?
jelly. You will see it in the video when it posts.
Oh my goodness, it's so delicious. I could eat this every morning instead of a donut.